Hey guys, it's Sydney from Tastefully Frugal, and today we'll be making a craft for all of you Disney lovers. A few months ago, Cricut released a new mesh iron-on featuring Mickey Mouse. There are a few different colors available, and today we'll be using cherry or red to make this fun custom Mouse Go Tools tote bag. This is a perfect tote bag for your kids who are big Mickey Mouse Clubhouse fans, or you could even use it for yourself for your Disney trip or a Disney cruise, or if you're a Disney fan, just because. So we'll be using our Explore Air 2 in this tutorial. You can definitely use your maker for the tutorial as well. And we'll be using an Easy Press 2. So let's go ahead and get started. You'll notice when you first unroll your mesh iron-on vinyl, there's a white filler paper. You don't need that for anything, just go ahead and throw it away. Then you'll want to load your mesh iron-on vinyl onto the mat, just like you would any other type of iron-on vinyl with the shiny side down. Make sure in design space that you mirror your design before you cut, and select mesh iron-on vinyl from the materials menu. One thing I like to do if I'm using a full roll of vinyl like I am with this white vinyl here is I'll use a paper cutter to cut the iron-on vinyl down to size. That way it's easier to remove the vinyl from the cutting mat after it's been cut. Once you cut your designs with your Cricut, you'll need to weed the excess vinyl. I'm doing that here with a weeding tool. If you have a bigger design like the Mickey head, you might only need this weeding tool to get the excess vinyl started, and then you can do the rest with your fingers. But the weeding tool really comes in handy, as you can see here, with removing the centers of letters or smaller designs. Next, preheat your Easy Press 2 to 315 degrees in 30 seconds and preheat your tote bag for about 5 to 10 seconds. You'll also want to put your Easy Press mat into your tote bag to make sure that the insides don't get heated up and pressed together when you are using your Easy Press. Next, I'm lining up all the designs on my tote bag. I like to use the Cricut cutting ruler to line things up because it's a perfect size for tote bags, for shirts, even extra large shirts. I can use this ruler to line my design up. Once I have everything lined up, we're going to press with our Easy Press 2 for 30 seconds at 315 degrees. Once you've pressed your design, peel away the plastic backing at an angle starting in the upper left corner. You can see this is a super easy and quick project that is fun to make, and it's perfect for kids and adults alike. If you'd like to check out the full written tutorial, including what fonts are used and the design space images, go ahead and click the link that is in the description of this video. There's also a link to Cricut Shop so that you can buy your own Mickey Mouse mesh iron-on in the description of this video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to check out more Cricut tips, tricks, and tutorials, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, guys.